So sixth point, the graphical method of finding solution of a pair of linear equations. So when two lines are drawn in the same plane, only one of the following the below three situations is possible. So out of these three, any one is possible in the nature when you are talking about two lines. Okay, first one, it may be either two lines may intersect at one point, two lines may intersect at one point, and two lines may not intersect, that is parallel, both are not meeting at all. Okay, no common point. Now coming to third one, both are meeting at the same points. So two lines may coincident. Okay, in this all the points meet each other. So in this we get many points, guys. In the first one we get only single point as common. In the second one we don't get any common point. In the third one we get many points as common. Okay. Now in the next video I am going to explain the examples of each scenario. For intersecting lines, we'll take one graph and we'll explain with an example. Next one, for parallel lines, we'll take one example, we'll discuss with a graph paper, and third one with coincident. Okay, we'll discuss all this example with the help of graph paper, guys, in the next video. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.